How you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to continue on with our stone installation. Today we're going to lay stone right on the face of our porch here. In a previous video we lay stone right on top of our porch. Today we're going to focus on laying stone right along here. I might go to with laying some stone down here as well. So our first step is to put our ledge right underneath here and jack it up, and afterwards we're going to cut our stone and do our installation. Before we jump into the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Let's get started. Right underneath here. Just gonna sit it temporarily. So we're just gonna sit it right up underneath. So you gotta start by making a temporary ledge to sit your fascia stone onto. So you could use a 2x4, 2x6, whatever waste lumber you have. Just try and get something that's straight. Take a measurement. You're going to cut it from 2x4 just to support your temporary ledge until later on you remove it. Here I'm just putting, you want to put one of the wedge right in the center to hold up the other piece, so that way you can continue on with the same level. Next you want to mark your stone. Here we're marking our stone 6 inches. It's all gonna be based on the size of your fascia that you have. Some case you might have 4 inches, then you gotta mark 4 inches. If it's 6 inches just like mine, then you mark 6 inches, and we're just gonna go ahead and cut them in 6 inches pieces. First I mark over my line, that way I have it nice and straight, and then we cut right through our line. So here I like to put my stone just to check to see if it's fit before I go ahead and install. Here we're making our miter cut, or 45, so that we can miter the corner. How you do, put your stone to stand up, and you just cut off maybe into it 1.5 inches, just like you see. It's pretty simple and straightforward. If you try, you might mess up the first one, but you can do it, I promise you. So first you want to test it before you go ahead and apply your mortar to it. So you want to go ahead, fit it, make sure that it fit perfectly, remove it, and then you apply your mortar to stick it on. Here we're mixing up our mortar. First you want to add water to a pail, then you add your mortar mix, which is maple mortar I'm using in my case here. You want to keep adding until you reach a consistency of a mayonnaise peanut butter consistency. After you finish mix, you want to have a separate bucket with water to put your bit right into the water and spin it around so that you can keep it nice and clean. Here you want to mix up some water mixed with bonding glue, spray it onto your surface before you go ahead and apply your mortar into it, and your mortar and your stone to it. I'm just going to paste the mortar onto the back of it. Go with a quarter to 1/2 inch to the back of it. We have the miter section. We want to turn the miter section to the end, or to the corner here. So we have another 45 cut here. Just gonna put it right out to the end, just like we did for this one. Yes, sir. Yes, yes. That's our joint. We want to have a joint there. want to get a level just to make sure that, as you see here, we have a bump here. You want to bang this one in a little bit more, just to make sure both of them is touching onto your level. Now we need a cut piece for here. So this is 10 1/4. So we need to cut it around 10 inches. So that make it clap, clap, clap. Cut this one so that I have a 1/4 inch joint here. We're trying to go with a 1/4 inch joint right along. I'm gonna go back here with our level, make sure that it's nice and level to each other. We're done with here. We're gonna go over this side now. Finish that side. Now came down here now. In a little bit. Make sure that we have a 1/4 inch space here for a joint. Everything nice and sealed. Other thing you want to do, you want to measure the span of the area that you're installing the stone on. If you have to cut 4 or 3 stones just so that you have everything look the same rather than cut a small piece if you run short. I never like to put a small piece in the wall, so you want to cut maybe 4 stones just so that everything look nicely in the front of it. And this is it. Okay guys, so we finished to install our stone for here. We're just gonna have it here sit a while, and afterwards we're gonna remove our temporary edge. Alright, okay. Okay guys, so we finished to install our stone. Now we're gonna go ahead and do some joints. I'm gonna spray some bonding glue with the joint. So what I did here guys, I squeezed the bag so I could bring the force right down to the edge. And then I kind of put my hand and push it out as I go. Just like you see I'm doing here. Guys, so now we're doing a joint. Finished to install our stone. We have over here sit and dry. We're going to go ahead and get our sponge, our water. This stone is kind of messy from the previous contractor who was doing it. here we're gonna put some steps here. We're gonna put steps here right in front of the door. We have our step stone over there. Subscribe for that. It's gonna be a separate video. Finish to install. Okay guys, well there you have it. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe for more content video like this one. Thank you for watching as always. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. We still have the steps here. We still have the steps here to install. It's gonna be a separate video, so subscribe so that you can come back and watch us install this step. Thank you. Peace out for now.